Ka Diwan Government LP School ka badai ka Shnat Jong ka Diwan Secondary School minta ka sengi kelayo ban play ba ya ka Foundational Literacy and Numeracy FLN Classroom ka badai ka kamera kelas bakerpang ban kringi ki hybrid ki benang sedang puli bakin ju ban shong school bat ban ai ka jing hikai kum ka wei ni ki shlam puli bakerpang ban penyar ya ka jingmut jing perkhat jong ki hybrid ka badai ru shibinta jong ka National Education Policy arajar arpo ka jingthmu jong ka school ban wanra ya ka te ka kamera kelas bathmai ka dei halor ka jing ang nuot ban nang pin bahai ka pulia puthi bar ban wanra ya ka pulia puthi ka ba kham janai ka quality education kat kum ka NEP arjar arpho kani ka school kalasnai ka kamera kelas ka ba kham kerpang na ka benta ban yarap iki hybrid ki badang puli haki kerdan nursery ka bangi tip kum ka foundational literacy and numeracy classroom knang baka school kan la ban pinyo ya ki jinghikai kabangi ong learning with practical activities based teaching lingba ki ICT information technology kat kum ka juk start baminta ya kate ka FLN jong ka Diwan Government LP School lawan ban plipat ba minta ka sngi de uba Meryl Bonds MLA ka nongpo kum ukongsan ha ka jingdan lang uba a Rizal SDSEO Riboy District uba ki temung chairman MC ba F Money Headmaster ba B tumong rangba shnong ki nong hikai ki kmi ki pa lemmat ki khina school ha kate ga sngi na kalyang UMLE ulayarap ru da ki pangkha sha kate ga school bakan yo ban bo ha manla ki kamera class nalor ki wei ki jingdon kam ka school ki ba an sala ban le baha bat pin baha kham hadin
ya kano ko yin ga bangi isna la na kambyang hi ka foundation kan thlem na paano kor ni jukan ni ka foundation ntlu ko ya che scam upaya ule bak scam ka dhalai ka bangi dhalai ka yin ga banong ka scam knang ba ka yin ka scam ba kan ne bangi I ba kinong elam apo ajo ka shnong ko kan thu ye kinong elam shnong na man shwa ki school manjing committee na do man shwa ki baladan ka bantaban no senyang nak kita jeng kiu juga di sekolah, kita jeng ijinai jeng kilawan bensna ya kita ketemu juga jeng rang jeng start halor jeng ngomong siang, baga sekolah ke jem, baga sekolah nak LP section, mentah ada UP section, nak UP mentah ada area country, kalau ada secondary section, kamu pun bakalan kiu. Nak board, kini kita kisin kita pausna, kita penting kena, bah school kelanan kiu. Pan ini sekarang, bagaimana kejin persiang, jongga sorka, banwara ya kini kejin donkam, hagi kamera kelas jongga pun iksiu ini, kan lo kejin bentoy yang ada jogi, mending lagi jogi kemat, kan lo kalau pergi internet, ibu ilah ada lagi bagi kena school. Kuat di pep school, kata ini kebukongsan, jadi kita Indonesia. Kena school kim kuat sudah pep school nama arbah kelas on mereka nomor kelas. Jinglah kaya lagi, kita penbernia, kita penmelen kita. Jadi kita kebukongsan ada betul. Lagi sinjal, kita ke sorkar pedeng, ke sorkar jela kita. Menteri nagam dajungi. Nasi syah kita syukun kita duna. Aku beri betul pulih uci ke jela kita ni, menteri. Ki officer kita ni kim macam langsung thai, ban konkret ban krum, ya ki jindon kang di bobon, nak kita kumno ban penbiang, ya ki foundation di school kita ni. But misal kemen, bah sorkar kalau hikmat khantam di itu ki school ki bompadam ya ki ying school ki bebet ki bebiang, ya ki school sorkar, bah mentah kelanang dan sibun ki school kelanang mi hikmat. Ki Melayu ya ki new school building, ini school sokar. laga deh ha umling sinar di blok laga deh Ribuhoy district laga jelah bertui kila nang mi cucu kini di school sorkar kini bagi sorkar kalau begini cuma ban penklaim ya ke school sorkar nama high school private kajing siu karen kata hikit di school di basi kisor di kapsor ke fees karen ban di babun ikmi ikpa kinla ban kerjaan dan di kundre la penklaim ya ke school sorkar naga banta ban pun dikenal bagi longjing di beduk kini aban hak yang ikun iksiu ijunki ban school ban hapo kali kadong katang kejugiru ini ladap ban senakum sasok kuai ladap di government LP kali jari ladap menyo ka dokha mendakan niat ke kam bat terter di school sorkar bat bahange ko bagi lekran meni di sekolah yang kami di komiti nama bakadeka jaka hange kalong ka haknya lada perhat ban penhe lada wara ya ka school building ka batmai ba hani renang la tichne uthau dia la ini sumu ya ka dor snow ya ka ba la ai ya ka jaka ka ba internet ka ba paka ka ba bandur la ka banta bakan long islam ban ai hikai nam da ga dong ba ka thain amti ko long rim diwa ba ingi scam bagi dingai budin ako beri berkani nama berkani kadi kau di school kiba lewah. Dan lagi page jaga enrollment lembaga Yudais nisem ba enrollment kami pala kadi school kadi keren LP section keren jaga upper primary section keren jaga secondary section ru iba enrollment kelan queue last.
Terus bah, bayi berkali-kali restriction juga teams. Kibun bah school juni haba kali buat district. Hadu menta kipot register yalade habo teams. Bat menta dam share dam city yo. Ngadang issue yo gowe ka city naga level jo STS yo. Hadu ti school go pot register teams. Bani kita kam pot register ka school teams. Nama ka sarkar haga ga juk ko menta ka kwa bertin yami. Bahato menunikai iman kasih dan yang hakasur ke attendance masyarakat kapor juga wajib masalah lape ulawan lacek menunikai lawan dan kapor school nak tahu lah sah kelakon karena minta kapor ke juga minta ke internet wall bahapa dengan online ke sokar ke kuah berjai dengan kuah lajong bahato hanam kasur kita menunikai kata kemudian very important. Udisi ulah stress lagi isi, ulah meeting yang ada arsen. Bak kawaru kabajadai baka reporting on PM push. Ha ini baka jingyo atau kau juni bak kata kacing aiba bagi kena kemudian keberhenti. Balai kemudian keberhenti, cuma minta pada diwan jopi. Kubalai batai yang pasangan yang baladon kubalas ba santu tak kena. Henry kajinyo untuk kau loktam nak mentaga aspa ko kena. Kat ko kajing approve nak PAB. Kat no kila approve ya school jopi. Kat no kila mang. Katai kedua ka section ban ihai. Tambah PIJ, Henry ka online reporting kadai berdan. Agasi ke pun aja orang beba yang lawan aja. Agasi ke aja ibe ko tidak aja. Henry reporting is the must. Ia beri ya reporting. Kata ko kebaa. Kebaya ini ikundrung ikendram hari ni kisi ya lesen siar dia itu lon bawa aja ni. Bayadi berkili appointing jadi kiko. Abang itu kiko habo kasku. Kasorkar kalau penolong mandatory minta bau tahu kok berfirman betul. Nah kalian juga managing committee. Bau di beliau yang medical fitness certificate. Pada firman beliau yang medical fitness certificate, kemudian appointment juga kok jumpi himla penai approval. Nama kami apa? Coba berkat begitu kondisi majumpi. Kata kalau tak kendal. Nasi botai nama menasi kamu kami bentar berkelan mentasi. Mentasi nyawan antara dengan program. Karena ngasih kabur dapat yang keren bertemang yang jadi Indonesia itu dia. Nak terakhir dengan semua ini. Dan nanti pada nak kuat kerja berjaya keren. Nama ibu menilai lah batai. baka jinglong congested ki school, ki labur ki kena, ki bur kita ki activities ko bilale, nga dah kemat lajam malaya ini. Kalau sisa ada baka congested pakat baka di school itu. Dengan harai baka di school jumpi, ada se kalakan apa pasti jo kapi sini. Iman ka profesor kalaya. Te ino ia bele badut dan buruk jogi mentang den. Ngasih buat terbawa ba ia se kalakan mentang profesor. Tengah super pagi ia bele robo ibudin nak mentang tu. Kemudian nama kini gile nak kalian joka office joka SDSO berjodoh itu. Nang ada ino SDSO. Gile nak sorry, gile nak office joka SDSO mana. District School Education Officer. Kadai apa bajing pet bajing cuci joka District School Education Officer. Te joko buku ni dia beriu di belasan, maka por dia pun ibet office. Te makir kita di katrai kata kat dia cintik. Bak ngaruh nak kalian cuma ke pengakon por persian di bagia keli yang itu dia officer di dalam tu bak kapta. Nah, request
help the student to read the basic skill in writing, reading, and arithmetic. Through this classroom, dari classroom ko implementasi lagi yang make through activities, through fun activities. That means the play with the fun. Isar Rizal di SDC untuk bahaya gini. Percaya nama, mean the student will not will be very interested to come to school. One thing. Number two, the student is very active in the classroom. He uses his ability, motor skill. Each and every day, come they will see what tomorrow kena. Kata kita foundational classroom. This classroom it meant the ability to read with simple arithmetic and simple calculation. And what I'm telling you, sir, especially Sir Rizal, this was SDSEO. This classroom, that is a success story in itself. But what I observed, we have started this classroom in the month of February, March, April, May, June. That is July. After the exam, after the month of June, there is a success story in the classroom. I've seen by my own eyes. The students they don't want to use the school, the classroom. That is a very interesting one because learning is a fun for them. Through this classroom, we have already implemented in the nursery foundational stage, that is nursery A and nursery B. And moreover, the students learn through fun activities. A lot of activities you have seen there in classroom, maybe through the playway method. So what I have seen, sir, this classroom is one of the foundational stages here we can learn, that we learn with fun, no boring at all. Lot of activity, and we use this classroom is a smart classroom. That's meant through the technology, through the projector, through the computer, we are implement this FLM classroom. I've seen through my experience, sir. So, chief guest, by the guest of honor, I've seen this one of the success story in our school. The classroom, it made the student to learn very fast. Here in our classroom, the student, the moment he entered the classroom in the month of February, will not teach him to write ABC directly. Here in the classroom, we teach the student through the playway method. He likes to play, let him play first, let him become comfortable with the classroom. After that, we start introducing the writing skill. That is the success story of this classroom, sir. So I've seen this classroom. So we have thought through the managing committee, this classroom should, or the school also, should be implemented this classroom. It's very important. Moreover, sir, this classroom, we got this EO benefits through the office of your directorate, that is this, and moreover, EO projector and government. Otherwise, everything regarding furniture in the classroom, but furniture in the classroom, everything, but framing the course through the directorate, DRD, and nilai kita nakalian di school, especially the fund nakalian school ini implement everything. But furniture the classroom, but implement the classroom. And I like to thank Sir Balu Steam. He was transferred in our school. We are very fortunate that we got a very active teachers to help this implement this classroom. That is.